Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to create a stiletto nail extension in acrylic. I already prepped the nail. I push back the cuticle and remove the length of the free edge. Remove the surface shine as well. When you're doing a stiletto nails, your form has to be a little bit down, and to keep the line very straight. So now I'm gonna prep the nail with the nail prep dehydrator on the nail plate. And I'm gonna apply the acid-free primer as well, just one coat onto the nail. To do this extension, I'm going to use warm beige acrylic powder and the Max Adhesion liquid. So now I'm going to pick my first bead of acrylic and place it onto the nail and drag to the free form. So now I'm going to pick my second bead and place it on the free edge to create this long pointy extension. And now I'm going to create the body of the nail near the cuticle area. So now we're gonna create the apex. It will give the strength to the nail. It's very important when you do a very long nail. It gives structure. And now we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and we're going to pinch to give a more C-curve structure to the nail. Now we're going to remove the free form, so pinch under the extension and remove the form. And now I'm going to file the nail with the 180 grit file. You have to remove the sharp of the file because it can hurt the skin of the clients. Now I'm going to file my side wall first. So with the light touch, file the side wall. When you file your side wall on a stiletto nails, make sure to hold the nail and be careful with the point of the stiletto. And now I'm going to file around the cuticle area. Always file down to up, because it will keep the shape and the structure of the nail. So keep them file parallel to the extension and roll the file, so it will give you a nice shape on this extension. So now when you're finishing with your filing routine, use a white block and to give some, to remove the scratch on the surface. And now I'm gonna wipe off with pure acetone to give a smooth finish on this extension acrylic nail. So now I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat to give a very nice shine to the nail. Cut the free edge. And now we're going to cure for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. This is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!